How to check if messages are forwarded on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Messages and tap on it. You are now in the Messages settings page. From there, you can enable or disable iMessage, customize send and receive options, manage text message forwarding, and adjust notification settings. Here, scroll down and go to text message forwarding. And then, turn on the device switch as shown to allow these devices to send and receive text messages from this iPhone. Following these steps, you can easily check if messages are forwarded on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.